So Start to Code in Under 90 Days. What is Start to Code in Under 90 Days? Essentially what it is a set of courses and a program put together to help you learn how to program. First when it comes to web development and web programming, and then when it comes to more traditional Java programming, and to do that all in under 90 days. Now, it doesn't matter if you take 120 days. It does, nobody's grading you, nobody's looking at you to do that. It's exactly, however long you want to take. The important thing is that you learn the information. But if you keep at this at a regular pace and do maybe 3 chapters a week, you can finish this, you can complete this program and complete this course and these set of courses in under 90 days. But what it does is it offers you some foundational knowledge, some really important things in terms of how do you set up a web page? How do you structure an HTML document? How do you style a website? What syntax do you use to do that? How do you use a data type when it comes to Java? How do you do that? How do you put something in a method when it comes to Java? Basic things are taught you. I'm not going to give you every single eventuality, every little nitpicky thing that could go wrong possibly to kind of blow your mind or overwhelm you when it comes to starting out. This is really designed to give you a good foundation when it comes to programming and computer programming in general, hopefully to launch a career or some interest in either website development or either programming in general by giving you a really good foundational knowledge. So essentially what it is, to Start to Code in Under 90 Days, is a set of 6 courses, if you will, and each course comes with its own booklet. So right here is the first course, HTML Beginner's Course. And you'll get a PDF booklet downloaded to you once you get the course, once you purchase a course. And the booklet walks you through content. So this right here, HTML in and of itself is the fundamental content of the web. I mean, the web is huge, as you know. There are many people on the web. And the entire structure of the web is really related to and tied to HTML. So what is HTML? It's a great place to start to learn the importance of syntax and how to format text, and gives you some really good coaching points in general as you start out your journey in web programming. So what this program does is each course will give you your booklet. You get a booklet that'll come with it, and the booklet will walk you through content. You'll walk you through exercises. It'll explain some concepts to you, and then you'll be able to click on and access videos from the booklet. So when you click on it, and there'll be links within the booklet, you'll be able to access particular videos, and the videos will correspond to the exercises or the chapter that you're on for that book and for that course. And it'll walk you through the exact exercise. It'll walk you how to do it, the code. I'll show you. So if it's downloading something or if it's typing in something, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So not only do you get the booklet that goes with the course, but you also get the code that's in the booklet, and you also get these videos that'll walk you through each exercise. And so Start to Code in Under 90 Days. The first 3 courses of our 6-course program, the first 3 courses are HTML, as we just saw that booklet. And then we move on to CSS, which teaches you how to style a website, which is a really important concept, and really there's a lot that you can do with CSS. So learning some fundamental foundational things really helps you out. And I tried to add a lot of stuff in here, a lot of content in here that I didn't necessarily get easily for myself in terms of figuring out how to do this when I was studying this and as I study it. So I really wanted to offer that in these first 2 courses. And then Display Grid is the 3rd course. Once you have something in your website and you have a website together, how do you lay it out? So there's some fundamental advances and some fundamental techniques that have taken place in CSS that allow you to structure and pick where you want to lay out something on a web page. And those are important things to have. And these are fun things to have. You can see and produce your own website right there on your computer. You don't even need to be even connected to the internet. You can really do it right there on your computer, because your computer will serve like a server for you. But you can see what you're doing. And then we'll transition from web programming, where you learn certain things about syntax and some fun things that you're doing, and we'll transition to the next 3 courses. And our next 3 courses pick up with Java. So we have Java 1 and Java 2 and Java 3. In our Java courses, you'll be taught a number of different things when it comes to Java, a number of things when it comes to how to use a string, what loops are. There are a number of things you'll get taught about when it comes to Java and programming in general. And there are certain things that you do with Java, whether there's, strings or data types or if statements that you may use. These become very important constructs that you may use in a lot of different programming languages. So we walk you through that in these next 3 courses in Java. We walk you through that content. And so you start out with Java 1, where you learn about data types and how to use a string and about methods and what they are. And then we move on to Java 2. We talk more about if statements, more about operators and logical operators, and more that you can do with numbers and casting. And really that conditional if statement is an important construct for you to know when it comes to programming. So we dig into that in Java 2. And then Java 3, we go through, in our Java 3 course, we go through a lot of things when it comes to loops. And it's almost like a little mini course, if you will. It's a little smaller, but it really digs directly into the concept of loops. So the do-while loop, the while loop, the for loop, which are things that are fundamental constructs, as I mentioned, in computer programming. All of that we go through in this course. So this Start to Code in Under 90 Days, as I mentioned, is a set of 6 courses. And it's designed to really help you get an understanding of computer science, and to give you a start off in computer programming. So we really hope you'll join us for this course, that you'll think about it, you'll take a look at it, and we really hope that it helps you if you decide to join us.